Hey, so I'm gonna be showing you how to do this like cool shake, kind of like this. So yeah, because someone asked me to, and I was like, okay. By the way, the size that I have right now for my composition is this, but it will work on 1080p as well, so don't worry about that. You just have to make the values just a little bit higher, but yeah. Let's just get this started. You just want to have your clip, which is this right now, and you want to have your transition ready like this. I will leave this open as a reference, but what you want to do is like open your position, and if you haven't done this already, just click on separate dimensions and you will have something like this. Hit the stopwatch for the eye position, then open rotation and hit the stopwatch on that as well. When you have this, just Ctrl C to copy, and you want to make sure it's a little bit even, but just have them already set up on the last frame. Then somewhere here. See, I'm using this as a reference because otherwise this will take a little bit longer and nobody likes like long tutorials. After you've done all this, just select your rotation keyframes and go 2 frames to the right, like 1, 2, like this. After you've done that, just make the rotation 4, -4 for the second one. For the third one, you want to make it like 2, or I think I picked 1.5, but I'll make it just 2. It really doesn't matter because you can change it anyway. Then for the white position, you want to have that, I think it was like, I think I have 80 right now. I used to have 50 for some reason, I don't know why. Then for the second one, make it -80. Then 40, or I think I have 50, so I'm gonna make it 50. And I forgot the for the last two keyframes on the rotation, you want to have this, I think, -2, and for the Y position, you want to have this, I think, -50. So it should have something like, yeah, like this. After you've done all that, you just want to select all of the keyframes and press F9 to easy ace. And that's basically it. Then you will have something like this. So yeah, that's basically it. Just leave in the comments which tutorials you want to see next, because I don't really know. So yeah, thanks for watching.